Don't say, I did not went to school. Say, I did not go to school. Why? After did, always use the base form of the verb. For example, she didn't come yesterday. Don't say, he don't like football. Say, he doesn't like football. Why? Use doesn't with he, she, and it. For example, he doesn't eat meat.
Don't say, she have a car. Say, she has a car. Why? Use has with he, she, and it. For example, she has a new phone. Don't say, I am agree with you. Say, I agree with you. Why? Agree is a verb, so don't use am before it. For example, I agree with your opinion. Don't say, I am understanding you. Say, I understand you. Why? Understand is a stative verb and is not usually used in the continuous tense. For example, I understand the lesson. Don't say, where you are going. Say, where are you going? Why? In questions, the auxiliary verb comes before the subject. For example, where are they going? Don't say, I have 25 years. Say, I am 25 years old. Why? In English, age is expressed with the verb be, not have. For example, he is 30 years old. Don't say, I'm coming when you're leaving. Say, I'll be back. Why? I'm coming means you're moving toward the listener. If you're leaving and plan to return, say, I'll be back. For example, I'll be back in 10 minutes. Don't say, let's discuss about the project. Say, let's discuss the project. Why? Discuss does not need the preposition about. For example, we discussed the problem yesterday. Don't say, I'll return back tomorrow. Say, I'll return tomorrow. Why? Return already means go back, so back is unnecessary. For example, she returned home late. Don't say, this phone is more better. Say, this phone is better. Why? Better is already the comparative form of good, so don't add more. For example, this book is better than that one. Don't say, one of my friend is here. Say, one of my friends is here. Why? After one of, use a plural noun. For example, one of my teachers is absent. Don't say, congratulations for your success. Say, congratulations on your success. Why? The correct preposition after congratulations is on. For example, congratulations on your promotion. Don't say, I am married with her. Say, I am married to her. Why? The correct expression is married to, not married with. For example, she is married to a doctor. Don't say, there is a problem. Say, there is a problem. Why? There introduces something, while there shows possession. For example, their house is beautiful. Follow for more.